My man so na yending koma quick na nkoma ho ma mending koma quick na ne wom nie recently you say Ghanaian event promoters or more UK organizing event ama some of our artists or more Ghana Hanum, and I mean talk of even the award schemes are course of Ghana Music Awards, course of Ghana Music UK Ghana Music Awards, USA Ghana Music Awards, Europe. It is giving us some limelight in terms of giving our artists, our local artists, and more some limelight in setting leverage be. We are looking at how our young as an industry, you able to me a leverage on some of these things. Say, unya international shows be but way because automatically me I'll call it an international show. Say you're picking it from the international events on a musical industry now. Impact ben now able to me ama young industry because say Edadi Luma goes to UK play a show. A Medica goes to UK play a show, a Shatawale goes to UK play a show, a Stoneboy go to let's say Holland, Germany, because last year say Germany ko bobo shows we idea. Impact being a brand, impact in a day banner. So how do we make sure say you be building on that as an industry? My many Peter Sarkodie or yeah determined pandit kasi pa ono on kasa o twina oseme nkasa meni ndi enti na de me twina osi o kasa Peter akwa
kwame ya me da fe kwame
bi aboko
ya o nyame adom na we
adom se ade meni wa na wa kra na o se wa fi buo krom nti no
kwame
wa fi buo krom
kwame me shati
meni wa na wa kra na o se buo krom zongo ni de den ya so ko back enti meni o kase wakwche anazizi e ona obi
di oba kan bia wo de kan mi fi
Peter yeah sure dey be for some time now your artists enya more of me too kwan me kwakobo show me too kwan me kwakobo show limelight na air to talk so how do we take advantage of some of these things as an industry to restructure ourselves again so that our music you per se call international it can be known?
Okay, kwame me da wate. I think say okaza earlier on no year summary before over now about impact I war Emma your friend say your Ghanaian entertainment landscape no but kwame uhwemu a negative and a positive but let's start with negative so there be may end with the air then which is the positive.
Okay,
first one no a cultural delusion a suatra.
In what sense?
Suatra in the sense challenge me say me bobi but na here me bo na de man kwa to asem. Okay, what the member enye for any personal reason and I say o share ye me okuma se ntima me for kuma say entertainment yi no and yenye example share your boys or mututu twinwum share kwame bibre na omonte brofo and that is not the problem omonka brofo that is not the problem tree language because we share kumase local musicians no dominated the whole Ghana even to the international front. So I'm being honest with you tema form te baby interna so what
and for kofa and to kabiamba
and the fact there is no two ways about it. But Kwame Osha, the way Omo dressing, Omo mannerisms in their music videos, Omo like even Omo yet small skits. Osha because me checking most of the Omo social media pages. Nyoma be Omo ye. The busa say, does it conform to your Ghanaian culture? No? The way Omo ye Omo sa, the fact maybe asa ko di ko cigar. The be Omo sa show Omo hem. So they be almost such a woman him. And now, at the back also, one negative impact I'm saying who a brain drain. And red J Nabako a live on TikTok. Screw face. take a screw face call Cassie on the room ha. And some others because of time me bobo mudi na yentro. And omubi omunim Emma ne live no kra me call so me call ne live so. Screw face make a neba yini your friend say and na or wapa so pass you say was signing up with and the US Army as a UK Army this week ya boy no ko oni Ghana bi those are some of the negative year at the abreye but o share the positive impact na kwame and ma exposure very good exposure also international shows no they bring some sort of global attention to the Ghanaian talent by showcasing some local artists on and even like in a broad wide comedians also in to the audience.
Okay.
So what you here on and inspiration. Most of local artists and other international artists are more inspired. It gives some sort of inspiration. Oh, that guy this what's his name? Lexus ne Obian Ponsa and good and some other musicians. I mean, Kwame, if Omoko Abuchinas of Omoko Koye shows up, Omuhu Nyoma different. One waka say say ne no Ghana, but me say na mababi hu enti Monsieur Bibi me bagana me yeden be the beba now. And in saying that, Yembra, your friend is saying gospel music. Because me a Christian, me the gospel and never be emphasis. Kwame, even in the secular world, no Kwame. First, ye event live. Kwame na ye keyboard ba kope. Keyboard ba kope na nipa ba kujina hona. Melodies be are all born. Kwame, they are not suiting to the ears. Mamifa. So I'm a kind of the master mo. Mamifa dana samuamu trend. Say we jari duma obetina be what kwen na no be near team so. But uko tie se dana samu to kwen no kwa bruchu no ko ye event regardless of oni akro ni no ko stage no so na yen fa na say bia e obi ti say sisi wine abo mo yo mo fa ho o se obeto dia na ko no so abeto nge na what melodies bia ye bo keyboard na esen e be for two ha na ye boni na se ni keyboard is na e wo ho no mo a Kwame wo sua bibi on kobo sa pia he. These are some of the things that ama yenkrofo no bibiri oma to gem no. Why? Because omo nya international eden impact no. Men can tell me say this Bruni yans and why that's the fact. And no money bibiri no if you honom na eba unnimu a Kwame unnim. No money bibiri no.
Etino se metu kwan akwa kobo show. Na me hu adie bi. Na se sa ade na me hu no demand that ese midisika butini bi de na ministers kana. How would I be able to do it?
That is why you have to start looking for sponsorship. Also looking for sponsorship. Who producer or here then also start to say oh yeah then or shushushka and Kwame to say no in this digital age Kwame Fika pen senye ne kesiye pa na ope why ye no ma bebre e bi da YouTube. I mean in just as can yen kepin a intimi nyoma bi, but trust me a lot of people are making thousands of dollars or millions of Ghana cedis or social media over almost small nyoma or dia to certain platforms so nyoma dia to enti there na also here look for sponsorship. So what say ye nyona nyum ye do but say Ebia obetimi match up to the overall international level. Look for sponsorship. The keyboard you know untim partner with Obi yenko agreement be and debia na menko amin this 80 na obi ndi 20 ana menko amin di bibia no and ye deal and ye ochina sem
okay
ochina se mi di 30 ne na se Kwame di ade se bia Kwame ma me 5 your friend is saying and nyoma e ka me 2 na me wo ho no na se Kwame fa 60 na me for 40 ya and yes you see mommy will be someone at home might think say about some na make am actually for echna because I have a whole long way to go but if you na Kwame no and nekwa no open na dey then na dey our time see no dey neko but echna sem enti na one advantage you know so say Kwame economic benefits. International shows, no, DNA, generate revenue for the local industry. And I say, create job, stimulate economic growth.
Okay.
So, stimulate economic growth. Share, Ofa Obi to say Cindy Thompson. Meaning said shop I say those times na name you buy, you know, or the two coin. But that exposure
say,
some of
I'm sure say they are obo shows. They are abrochire, they are betuka obo shows kakra abrochire.
But Kwame, me catch you say Cindy Thompson when she be and I'm saying it for a fact.
When she be as I say.
Cindy Thompson is Kwame 2000 Cindy Thompson at the nyom buy. Obon Sam Crown Puku testify say enyum no na enye easy. Satan Lucifer onokwa hu say enyum we dey dem nko ho. Say me take the dia me take say ebo nyum bia. I won't even step anywhere close. Na nyum ye de mo bro hu foje enne peja mo bro hu foje. Obo say someone can even enyum we first na na sa na be keka wo ye ketema so. But 2000 who rezi mo bro hu foje kwa me he na me ne your friend saying me class teacher near nam KGT ana omo moton CDs ni bi e bo nyom no we me class teacher na me class ma me no na gini mu ka no kwa me okona nim no aba na chi ana ba no busa say ma me ade o say anyumi kwa me she couldn't decide as to where say sikana ka no lorry feel say on fan to cassette no ana no on nantin ko fie ana say onye den enti me class teacher no ene ko no okoto cassette no ana ode mama ene bonyum no na hwe so bi beto a o arrange 8 na anyuni na 10 o arrange 8 songs 8 praises 2 worship 7 praises na 3 worship so over 2005 was they repeating the same thing with the same notes and the same melodies e was sa anyum na mu forgetting say nipa ya so no e develop.
And you know, who's saying na day na nkasa nko ye after say we release that big hit, you know.
Cindy Thompson and Siadie, Cindy Thompson did not allow any impact or influence to come to you. 1 year Sadia no. Cindy Thompson and when she 1 year and I year flat. The other boy 2000. Why someone would think say why am I using Cindy Thompson? Because she's one of the greatest legends ever here in Ghana compared to the likes of Lionel Richie or Onua Brucheli. Cindy Thompson is the same thing as Lionel Richie or Onua Brucheli, Sissy Winans, and the likes of your friend saying your friend your boy some Akokra I can't help smiling when I look at you, Kenny Rogers and all that.
Yeah, Kenny Rogers.
Yes, you DNA. Amachi the DNA Daddy Lumba ne. But Oshe Amachi the DNA Daddy Lumba, they've had international influence or impact on their songs. That is why their songs are still ringing. That is why their songs are still ringing.
Omono edena ebia omoye in right.
Omusuya adie.
Okay.
Omusuya adie. Look at this SDA guy. Oh, what is? I think he was on one of sister stations, UTV show omoye. And a couple guitar a born in him. Bulldog was sitting that day. Bulldog in Makeni Renchi.
Yeah.
Bulldog in ya. That guy has sax about sax and play other music. Those are all foreign instruments. Or the impact over the music so. And right now he's one of the best SDA musicians. And let me just be honest with you for a fact. His songs are better than that guy who had problem with Daddy Lumba. And I'm saying it for a fact. Anna Kwame, there is something going on in Hollywood. Very, very important. We are focusing. Boom. Kwame, when you say Hollywood celebrities, a lot of people in abroad and West, Ubia block omo. It's ongoing aspect. Now it is ongoing. There is an event. Your friend Met Gala. Every year, omo the raise awareness over every department. So now this year, no costume.
Okay.
Kwame, kokoshe costume. Your friend is saying, "Nkofo share edeba event ho." a bit here almost like Mame Watanyoma, and yes, I may come when you pay one after may spiritual. Elaborate event and winning invite to be $75,000. And a table be $300,000, making $375,000. Abrofono, ehu ye no sebi, omuni nyansa and Kwame on the third time, omuni nyansa nti, omo tena ho, eka say, hwede ekoso your friend is saying Palestine. And other countries. How important is this unnecessary thing that you are doing? What kind of impact does it even have on America crown pono as a chrono? I'm online kokoshe Rihanna costumer or the bar. After the Chelsea 3 and the other two nechi LED.
Yes, fashion, massa, in their fashion.
No. I'm just describing what I'm. And yes, no.
Fashion.
I'm a movie maniac. Me a Hollywood movie freak.
Yeah, I know, but.
Kwame, omo mote hono say adie no omo ye ne de. Enye hu hia mo. Me ne o kan Kim K, Obi and Kim Kardashian. Kwame, we losing over 30 million followers. They are doing it to a lot of The Rock Ekahun, a lot of celebrities. Omo de ye Jello crowd one crowd say who yomo hida. Omo de ye a lot of them.
And you know, sir, we no more ye no say they are unfollowing them. The crack is saying.
Kwame, the crack is say abrofa set agenda. Me, I have no problem with what celebrities in here. You know, the idea is omo set agenda. Say ye na ye den ye follow. Kwame, have we set agenda here in Ghana to impact our entertainment industry?
Yeah, most of our agenda is agenda to break people down. Yeah, agenda.
Kwame,
that has been our agenda from day one. Agenda is that this artist is moving. Yes, set the agenda. Na ye manu look bad. Agenda is that I will be co-premier movie no. Let's look for a way to set an agenda. Na movie ni premiere no. That is on says dream boni kakra na we in patri no.
Lewin a movie recently, and Chichuku a movie recently. Men tena ufie nkase, omo ye Kumawood, omo ye nkrasinyoma. Ushe Hollywood first movie almost starting a year. Nobody sat anywhere in any state and would do omatem. They lifted themselves up. Omo peja omo and omo kodru baby omo.
Na
Lewin edini papa omo cha movie. And then I heard say Kojo Sheldon, it is too early for this. Kwame, it is too early for this.
Na mwankasa mbibao, omwankasa movie for na fee na zo na what is saying. Omwa movie na movie fundo, omu fee ti saying.
Kwame,
unity be na ho. Sisi amene o kase. Artists Guild. Aye bogus because mode mako court, mo gusu court for years. As a man kwa na modwin. So you don't even think about the welfare of your members.
Kwame, who my kunta no manu we say in a koso na ikani ho sika.
Because chale who fear ngasa na put it in order. Oh, are you expecting us here Abontin to come and help you to do that? No.
Kwame, and who say abrofu omo economy no is far better than here. If I me say me no ka say obi aso obi live Bruni aye live or advocate almost say don't just follow block into block your man I'll guarantee them no ebe realize say nipa na omo ye den omo follow no eswati so they can't make a lot of money to do quotes and unquote that nonsense and yami na make omo ka say ade event no mo it is nonsense. It is nonsense in their eyes. But one thing, they have set up an agenda. Trump, the whole America set an agenda. Say, Akwasi, they call one thing, you be two. Kwame, I didn't see it. Trump,
so, Peter, Akwasi Okyere Sarkodie, we are going to set an agenda. I want to build the agenda to set a good agenda for the entertainment industry. You are a movie person. You are a movie critic. guy anytime we are na movie baby and we able to say so movie we there it say
Kwame ohokra de wo de call kra wan obi dim be kokot
obi am fa kokot into no
nyoma asema me yepie enye say personal ade a me tan obi ani o mami nka no kwenche Kwame mami use this opportunity na me fan kama in a lovely manner whoever a taste of sin Kwame mami nka no kwenche there is no difference in anything
Zach and me I'm not discussing anything movie
Matthias here
a taste of sin no
Matthias here
I'll call you on that now I'll bring it movie people I have Nollywood head in terms of Ghana where you know if any saying omo reps na ewo Ghana no
yeah
me wo omo president no ha if any destiny ono no oye movie person me share the number they will talk about movie itself proper movie itself
okay
that time na me sure say ofi Kumasi e wa bedu Accra
yes
na me do aba studio they will talk about movie right
Peter
All right, thank you so much. God bless you.
Onua 95.1 FM. Yeah,